Hi, welcome to Tech Online. In this video, you're gonna see how to fix sign-in error issues in Minecraft Education Edition. So let's see. The common cause for they cannot connect to service error is result of having multiple versions of Minecraft Education Edition. So you get to see this when this comes, I'll show you how to solve this issue. You don't have anything else hitting settings here. What you have to do here is just close it, and then so now I'm going to show you how to solve the issues. Go to search bar and type Minecraft. You can see here multiple version installed. So what I'm going to do here is, you can see the right arrow, click the right arrow, this edition, can you see that with the green background? Click this edition and then uninstall, click uninstall and then click here uninstall button. It's gone, close it. Now let's open it again. Okay, here it comes. See, this is how you can solve the issues. So right here your email address and then the password will get to login. Thank you.